I just bought the greatest grill of all time, and it cost me $20 actual dollars. It's right here next to me. The best grill on Amazon just came in, but I'm gonna put it together and see how it goes. So first off, we gotta get the charcoals ready to go, get them real heated up. I got the steaks already marinated. We need to make sure that this goes perfectly because this might be just possibly the best steak cook ever. I thought Amazon sent me a lunchbox, but this 14-inch Cuisinart grill was like, put me in, coach. I will cook a steak like no tomorrow.
Dad,
we're not eating till tomorrow, kids.
What?
We're not eating till tomorrow.
Oh! He needs some milk!
Alright, that was actually pretty easy. I finished in 30 minutes, maybe 40 minutes in between drink refills and whatnot. But I really thought it was gonna be painful, but it's actually really easy to put it together, and the parts are actually very well made. Looks nice. I'm talking enough. Let's go make some steaks.
Yeah.
When the cook finally came to be, this budget grill really surprised me. It's 1 a.m. I'm bored. Amazon knows this. I'm scrolling past $500 Webers, Traegers, and boom, $20 grill.
I'll make that deal. How about you bitch? You make that deal?
I'd make that deal.
I don't blame you. Damn good deal.
The review said it changed my life. One said that I brought my wife back, so I bought it instantly, I swear. Box arrives the next day looking like a toy, and I'm like, is this a grill or is it a snack? I had no idea that it was not gonna come pre-made. So surprisingly, it was a solid build, and it was fairly easy. The chrome gate, enamel firebox, real vents. The grill was built like it had something to prove, I'm telling you.
So we're gonna go ahead and take grill.
It heats up really fast, so if you leave it in there, it might just burn off. So I decided to start cooking. And I thought to myself, but is it actually good? I had a couple of New York strips ready to go, and as soon as they hit that grate,
Yep.
instant sizzle. Absolutely perfect. No cold spots, no sad flames. I could have probably closed the vent at the bottom a little bit more, but that's okay. We're gonna start learning on this little $20 grill. This $20 grill was cooking like it had a premium subscription to making really good steaks all day long. First bite though, I really do think that this grill should be illegal. It was crispy, it was juicy, it was smoky. For $20, I really don't think any other grill can beat this, and the price. Even these big ones that I have cannot even fathom cooking a steak that fast and being able to clean it up in the size that it is. Will it replace a fancy backyard grill? Absolutely not. Is it going to compete with a Traeger? No. But for $20, this is the king of budget grills, and I think I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10. You can take this anywhere in the back of the truck or whip it out in your backyard. Like the video for more chaos, subscribe to support the channel, and of course, stay hungry and stay grilling, and don't sleep on those mini grills.